looking after your body is key. When I first started playing, like, I wasn't doing all the 1%ers, I wasn't stretching, I wasn't eating right, but now I've become a full roster player. I need to work on my body.
From the villages of Fa'asiuta and Satapuala in Upolu, basketballer Shea Ely was drafted into the Breakers squad as a development player in 2014. Since then, Ely's game has gone from strength to strength. Last year, he was promoted to the full-time roster.
It's definitely shown me how to be more of a leader and tell them what to do, make sure they're in the right spots. I know my job now.
Standing at 184 centimetres, Ely is often the smallest player on the court. He's worked on areas of his game to be able to score over the bigs at the post.
Now that I'm playing for the Breakers and playing in the ANBL, there's a lot more 7-footers, and I can't always finish at the rim, so now I've just worked on my shot, and my pull-up game is all right now.
You can say it's good.
It's widely noted that there's something about the Breakers culture and coaching staff that keeps attracting the player talent.
Just a family culture, really. And I love playing under Paul Henare and Judd Flavel and Fitch. Well, I've been playing under Paulie for a while, and just the way he sees the game is awesome. And just the experience he's had throughout his career, they've definitely helped me throughout my time with the Breakers.
Ely broke into the national Tall Black squad in 2015 and this year had a standout campaign at the FIBA Asia Cup, being named in the Star 5.
We had a great tour, this last tour over in Lebanon, and just an honour just to put on that black jersey and represent the country.
Oh, nice shifty move by Ely.
There's a saying in our haka, honour the past, the present and the future. We've never really been one of the top teams in basketball, so just being the underdog and fighting from the bottom all the way to the top.
What inspires you, or who inspires you to do this every day, to get up, to train, to play hard?
Got to say my wife and my family. Love seeing the smile on their faces when they come to the games, and just the love for the game really pushes me.
With the Breakers having lost their first game of the season, Ely and his Breakers teammates are determined to win another championship.